This question of Planck's high service is to find the maximum amount of water that a container can hold. You are given with an integer array height of length n. There are n vertical lines. So this is an integer array, each representing the height at each position. So 1, 8, these represents the height. So uh, there are n vertical lines drawn to points of I prime where I is equal to 0, is equals to so what is this I generally represents the width, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. And height of I represents the height of particular, say, bar or something. Okay. So we have to return the maximum amount of water that this container can hold. So, if you can see, we have the left side of maximum and maximum as 8, and the right side we have this one, which is 7. The minimum of both is 7. So 7 and 8, if we take 7 as the maximum height, and what is the width? Width is, if you can see, it is of length total of 9, and if this is the ninth one, this will be the second one. So 9 minus 2 will be 7. So 7 into 7, which is 48, 49. So that is the maximum height. So what we can do here is, the first thing that comes to our mind is, we are finding all possible ways from the starting and end. So we have to find the maximum one on the left and the maximum on the right. The maximum, so for example, you take this example. You take this example. We have, so your left is on. We have to count this left and right. Yeah, and right. So your left is at 1 and your right is at 7. So the maximum of these both is so the minimum of these both is 1. So the maximum weight it can hold, the maximum water it can hold is 1 into the width is 9 minus 1, which is 8. So 8 minus this gives you 8 into 1 gives you 8. So that is the maximum water it can hold. And what is the minimum between these two? 1. So the minimum pointer will move ahead to find the maximum. So the left one will come to 8 and the right one remains at 7. So what is the minimum of these both? 7. And what is the length between these two? It is 9 minus the second one is, so 9 minus 2, which is 7. So 7 into the minimum height is 7. 7 to 7, 49. 49 will be the maximum. Now, what is the minimum of 8 and 7? 7 is minimum. So it will move towards the right will move forward. So the right will come here 3. What is the minimum? 7. So, sorry, 3. 3 to 6 is again 18, then it will move the 8, this one only to 8. So right will come to 8, and you have 8 at the left and at the right pointer also 8. So the minimum of these both they are same. So 8 is the height, and the length between them is it is 1, and from the back side it is 9, 8, 7, 6. It is 6 minus 2, so it is 4. So 4 is the height. 4 into 8 is nothing but again 32. So we are keeping the track of the maximum waters. So if we can move forward, move left is equals to and right is equals I dot length dot length minus 1. We are keeping track of the max So whatever it is individual or personal to dynamic, and we are new and left and right system in until the important. What you are doing at for each content. So we are finding is the height, touch, and height is in else, like dot minimum of either of the two height and either left or height of either. Right. So the minimum of both will be the height and the width. Width was equals. What is the width? Width is nothing but the difference. It is otherwise the means left. Okay, so this is the width and the area. Max what is updated max technique is flat dot the maximum of area. The max what itself. Or then we have one new area is nothing but with the height. So this is now yeah, there are three conditions, right? If of so that or that is has all equal state height of right, then what I do is I will normally like this is I will just right towards the left side. That is the forward and once they collide they come out. And one thing we can is return is for the return. Let's not miss this. So this was and let someone can see. Okay, that's good. Once you understand the code, and since we are using the two pointers, it takes and sorry, lag and time. It's 1 minute make a look out. At the worst case, it might take for 10 conditions or 20 for second person.